Good morning friends. In this video we are going to be learn about our new chapter of GK, which is nature disaster. Okay, so nature disaster is both benevolent and malevolent. Means it is a well meaning of kinding, and it is a malevolent is a dangerous type of disaster. Okay, when human disturb the ecological balance and disturb its nature processes, like we are cutting trees and we are spreading the pollution. So according to these things, nature show its rudeness side and cause huge loss and damage to human life and property. Such drastic and sudden event caused by the environment factor are called natural disaster. Tsunami, flood, earthquake are the few example. Okay, we can see, we can daily life, we can listening all the things. Okay, so because of the our activity only, nature react. Okay, so okay, so first of all we have to make the this column. Okay, so first one is draft. So here we can say that scarce rainfall means when the less amount of rain is falling, so we will this condition will happen, that in Hindi we can call sukha. Okay, so earthquake, we know the what is mean by earthquake. The earth will suddenly it will shake. So earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground. Okay, so next one is flood. A lots of water covering the land. Okay, because of this flood means it is called a bard. Okay, so because of this lots of water is there on the earth surface. Tidal waves, a huge or a huge and gigantic waves in the sea which cause destruction when it reach the land. Okay, so it is a huge waves in the sea. Okay, typhoon, it is a types of tufan we can say. Okay, a firestorm with very strong wind. Okay, so volcanic eruption, we know all what is meant by volcanic eruption. Here you can see. Okay, a hot liquid lava bursting out from the earth. Okay, in earth lots of heat is there, so a volcanic eruption is hot lava is creating from that. Okay, so forest fire, we know unwanted fire that spread quickly in the forest. Cyclone, a strong waves winds coming in the circular form and hitting the coastal area. Okay, so these kinds of natural disaster we have. Okay, next topic is geographical feature and landform. Various type of feature and landforms are formed by the